In this video, we will learn how to make a cover slide in PowerPoint for a presentation. So, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Rotate and increase size. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. Delete unwanted part. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select this shape, drag it like this. Increase size. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Union. Select this, make two duplicates using Ctrl Shift. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Subtract. Select all, go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Select this, click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to Fill, click on Picture or Texture Fill, go to File. Here I have downloaded picture from Google, select and insert it. And also select background color. Select this and this, go to Format, select color using eyedropper. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Circle, drag it like this. Select Color from Shape Fill and also add icon for PPT. Select both, go to Format, select Group from Group. Whatever PPT you are creating, highlight information here. Select this, go to Animation tab, apply Wipe Animation, go to Effect option, select from top. Also increase the duration size. Select this, apply Zoom Animation. Select Start after Previous, also increase the duration size. Select this, apply Wipe Animation, go to Effect option, select from left. Select Start after Previous, also increase the duration size. Select this, apply Split Animation, go to Effect option, select Horizontal Out. Select Start after Previous, also increase the duration size. Select this text box, apply Floating Animation. Select Start after Previous, also increase the duration size. Select and click on Animation Painter and apply on this. Go to Effect option, select Float Down. Also increase the duration size. Select this, apply Wipe Animation. Go to Effect option, select from right. Select Start after Previous. Also increase the duration size. Now let's go to full screen. So, look how beautiful your animation looks. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.